The year is 2024. Apple has just released the latest and the greatest iPhone 16 series. However, if you go to customize your control center and you are looking for a shortcut to toggle your location on and off with one click, you still do not have that option. It is very surprising because Apple is all about security and privacy, so I would assume they would have an easy way to toggle your location on and off like you have on the Androids over here. I have a quick settings toggle to turn off my location on the fly. For Apple, you have to jump through a bunch of hoops by going into settings. Once you are in settings, you will scroll down, you will go into privacy and security, go into location services, and this is where you have to toggle to enable or disable your location. But in this video, we're going to make it easier for you to turn your location on and off on your iPhone 16 series, which includes the iPhone 16, the iPhone 16 Plus, the iPhone 16 Pro, and the iPhone 16 Pro Max. All you need to do is swipe down from your home screen and then you need to type in shortcuts or open the shortcuts application. So this is the main page of shortcuts, and make sure you are on shortcuts on the bottom menu. Then on the top right you see the sign for plus. Select this and in the search actions tap that, and we're going to search for open space URLs. Once you do that, you will get the option of open URLs. We're going to select this and then tap on URL. Herein you need to type in what I am just pasting on my screen. Make sure you type it in as it is because this is case sensitive. I have left it as a text in the description of this video as well. And then we're going to say done. So we have successfully created our location shortcut. Now we can rename it. So tap on these three dots and then tap on the down arrow beside open URLs and select rename. Give it whatever name you want to. I'm going to name it location and then tap done. If you want to change the icon, you can do that as well. Same thing, tap on the down arrow besides the name, select choose icon. I'm going to select icon and this is the icon which I am using, the one from maps section. You have a bunch of different options down here. Use whichever one you want to and then say done on the top right. Say done one more time. And now if I select this, it is going to take me to my location section wherein I can enable or disable this toggle. I know it is like 2 clicks, but that is what Apple allows us. Now all you need to do is add this shortcut to either your home screen, or you can add it to your control center, or you can map it to the action button. I will show you all those three in this video. So we're going to go back to the shortcuts application and then we are going to tap on these three dots, tap on the down arrow besides the name and then say add to home screen, and you can choose an icon here. If you do not like the one which you have already set, you can change the name. I like it as it is, and then I'm going to say add, and bam, here it is. This is the shortcut added on our home screen. Select it. We are at the place wherein you can turn on and off your location services. Next up, what if you want to add this to your control center? So access your control center and then you have to tap on the plus sign on the top left. Go into add control. Herein, scroll down and you will see the option for shortcuts. Once you see that, select this shortcut, say choose your location shortcut, tap anywhere else other than this white pop-up screen, and here it is. It was added. If you want to resize it, you can do that and then tap anywhere else. And now from my control center, if I select that location shortcut I just created, it is again taking me to the place from wherein I can toggle my location on and off on the fly. And last but not the least, if you want to map this location shortcut to your action button, all you have to do is go into settings, go into action button. Herein, swipe through the different options and you will see the option for shortcut. Select this, choose a shortcut, and now we need to choose the shortcut which we have created. It is going to be listed under my shortcuts. This is the one we selected. And now if I press and hold the action button, bam, here it is. I am now being taken to the place from wherein I can turn on my location, and similarly I can turn off my location as well from this screen. And there it is, peeps. That is how you add a location shortcut to your iPhones, which include the iPhone 16, the iPhone 16 Plus, the iPhone 16 Pro, and the iPhone 16 Pro Max.